four works I chose are interconnected in a common theme of an outcast. For different means, the authors depict a character struggling with either society or themselves. In Things Fall Apart, Okonkwo is an outcast for his strict mentality and judgment, has a very harsh, unforgiving demeanor, and fails to see past his own view and perspective. When he is exiled by the tribe, he is physically set apart and detached from his people. In the same way, the speaker, unacquainted with the night, is physically distant from the rest of the sleeping city as he embarks on his walk alone. This theme of isolation is reoccurring and shows the different way these characters develop their individuality, shaped by their own decisions and the reactions of society. In the sonnet, "For that he looked not upon her," the narrator sets himself apart from the rest of society by choice, much like Leonard Mead did in The Pedestrian. In both works, the main character chooses that what they want is not attainable as a member of society in the society in which they reside. Here are my citations for the work and images I used. Overall, I appreciate this opportunity to explore four great literary works and look forward to the rest of this course. Thank you.